chopper right now as we speak. Alright, son, let's do it. Good shit, son. Good shit. I got that on recording. Over. Good job, son. Shit, son. We just got fucked up on RP Chisholm. What do you want to do? Deployment? Copy that, 515. I'm getting C4 over. I'm still recording, sir. I'm going to record as much as I can. This is because it's my first video. I want to see how it's going to work. I'm going to label this test video, Caspian Border. Yeah, I'm down for that. Okay. Copy that. 3 minutes into the video, so I can record up to 5 minutes. Copy that. Try to give me a lock on that fucking target, over. I'm trying to target the helicopter. Okay, ready to fire? Firing! Missile away. Missile tracking target. Boom! How do you like that, bitch? Alright. Right there. That's the helicopter spawn, right there. I got them highlighted. We got 2 tangles over. They're all yours. Taking one of them out right here. Okay. The other 2 are yours. Oh! I don't know, dude. That's fucking weird. Oh, this dude thinks he's slick, bro. Fuck it, let's do it. I'm trying to get into an airplane here soon. F-18.
All units, we have lost the objective.
5 minutes over. Can you give me a pickup, sir? Shoot that piece of shit. Get some altitude, You almost crashed. He's hurting, sir. He's smoking. You got the fucking better hand on him. Come on, tear him up. Get your ass over here. I got that all on video. All on video. All right, son. Okay, now be ready to do that. You gotta pick me up fast.